Are you tired of constantly misplacing your keys, wallet, or even your pet's collar? Today we're diving into the Apple AirTag 4-pack, the ultimate solution for keeping track of your most valuable possessions. This isn't just a simple tracker. It's a game changer for anyone wanting true peace of mind. The standout feature is precision finding with Ultra Wideband technology, letting you pinpoint your lost item's exact location with incredible accuracy right on your iPhone. Setting up your AirTag is ridiculously easy with one-tap integration into your Apple ecosystem, getting you connected in mere seconds. Plus, with its IP67 water and dust resistance, your AirTag can withstand splashes, spills, and everyday adventures without a worry. What truly sets the AirTag apart is its seamless integration with the Find My network, leveraging millions of Apple devices worldwide to help you locate items, even when they're far away. If you're looking for the best electronics tracker in 2025, or just need to stop the endless search for your missing items, this investment is absolutely worth it. Ready to say goodbye to lost belongings? Grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack today by clicking the Amazon link in our description below. The Apple AirTag is a must-have smart device for anyone seeking efficiency and peace of mind. Don't live another day without one.